What is up, Hardcore Nation? It's Hardcore Christopher here, and today I'm going to be reacting to this video by Keish the Stunt Dog titled Husky Tries to Eat the 24CT Gold Waffle Play Button I made for him. I think. Hold on. Yes, I made for him. Let's get right into this, shall we?
Hello. Hi. What are you doing?
Keish is a big boy. Well fed. And that's all I got for now.
What are you doing? Okay, I've got a surprise for you. Can you get it on your...
The subtitles are cute. It actually sounds like whenever he barks, he's actually saying some of the words.
beanbag and I'll give it to you. That's definitely not on your beanbag key. You just moved it out of the way. What are you doing? There's nothing in there. He's remodeling. Okay. What are you doing? Can you get on the beanbag, not under the beanbag? Get on the beanbag, please. You're not on it very much. No, it's just your butt's on there. Can you have the rest of you on there? So you know when you reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and you got a silver play button? Yeah, and then at 1 million subscribers you got a gold one. Right, well, we've now passed 1.5 million subscribers.
He's like, I don't understand what you're saying, human. Explain.
Yeah, but YouTube don't give play buttons for that milestone. They just don't. You have to wait until you get 10 million subscribers and then you get a diamond play button. So do you think you deserve a play button for reaching 1.5 million subscribers? You do. I do too. I made you one. What do you think? Key. It's a waffle. Yes, a waffle. It's not one you can eat though. It's made with gold, Key. It's real gold. And it says... Can you sit? Oh, Key!
He's like... He's like, if I can't eat it, then don't give it to me.
Don't kick it. Sit. No, don't eat it. No, don't eat it. It's not edible, Key. I know it's a waffle, but it's not edible waffle. It's made of resin and gold. Real gold. So it says, presented to Keish the Stunt Dog for passing 1.5 million subscribers on YouTube. Is that good? Okay. The next milestone is 2 million subscribers. Don't eat it, no! Is that really what you think of my play button? What? What's wrong with my play button? It's got a waffle on it. Are you still knocking
Okay, guys. That was my reaction to Husky tries to eat the 24... Oh, the CT means carrot. The 24 karat gold waffle play button I made for him. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to and please tell me what your what's the weirdest or strangest thing your pet has done. Again, this is by Keish the Stunt Dog, and as always, I'm Hardcore Christopher. Keep it hardcore, everyone.